Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Set Forget Traffic, which launches on the 26th of October at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this brand new release from two of my very own students, two members of my Elite Academy program, and they are Arinze Gold and Nella Fernandez. So what is Set and Forget, or rather Set Forget Traffic, all about? Well, it teaches you a secret underground traffic source that sends daily buyer traffic to any URL. Now, how do you actually do that? Well, it's by using one of the great hidden secrets of internet marketing that not many marketers currently use, and that is the question and answer site called Quora. Now, this is a little bit like Reddit, which are, in my opinion, the two most underused platforms in social media that deliver the best results for marketers, but people just, for whatever reason, hardly anyone are using them. The crazy thing is that if you compare it to sites like Facebook and Instagram, the return that you will get from spending time on sites like Quora and Reddit, this isn't about Reddit, but that's just as an aside, are like probably about 10 times more than you will if you try and market using Facebook and Instagram, simply because those platforms are flooded with marketers. There's hardly anyone using the Q&A on Quora, and yet if you look at a lot of top marketers, just go on YouTube, you know, and look at the people on there that you trust, the people that are making the ethical reviews, for example. They all recommend Quora as a free traffic source because it's dramatically underused. And so Arinze and Nella are absolutely onto a winner with this product, in that it is a great way to get free organic traffic on demand. So if you're not currently using Quora, or perhaps if you've tried it and haven't really adapted a strategy that works, then I would say that you need to pick up a copy of Set Forget Traffic. And of course, if you've never used it before, you definitely need to pick up a copy. As usual with student releases, with new marketer releases, they're always packed with value, lots of training in here. In a lot of cases, you know, way more than you would get for your money from the more established marketers. So I strongly do urge you to pick up a copy of this, folks, as we go through it. I've also put together, obviously, a set of 10 custom bonuses, which you can get from clicking on the button immediately underneath this video. There are 10 of them. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons before the countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. And of course, I don't want that to happen because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Set Forget Traffic, because of course you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that my bonuses are particularly congruent with the main offer. So let's have a quick look at the sales page. Set Forget Traffic. Discover our secret underground traffic source that sends daily buyer traffic to any URL. Well, obviously I've told you what that is. That's the point of making a review video, to do the reveal. 100% free traffic to any URL. That's true. Method to monetize traffic in one go. Absolutely. Permanent source that never runs dry. Yeah, I don't think that people are ever going to stop asking questions on Quora. Easy to set up, 0 tech skills or experience required, 100% beginner friendly, target a 300 million monthly active users database. So, you know, this traffic isn't going to run out. We'll also have a look inside the members area. There's Arinze and there's Nella. We'll come back to that in a minute. And we'll look at the upsells. The front end is actually $12.97. It says $9.97 there. And that's because if you move your cursor as if you're going to leave the sales page, I've already done it, so it won't do it a second time. But you'll find that there's a voucher that drops down for $3 off. So then that will bring the price down to $9.97. Okay, so let's deal with these bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm recording now will be in here. We've just gone through what Set and Forget Traffic's all about. The sales video you can watch either here or on the sales page. So what are my bonuses? Well, first I'm going to give you a bonus that's worth way more than the cost of this product, and that is 6 super solo ads. Now, these are solo ads that you can send to all the 30,000 plus members of my 25 sites in my Elite Tigers group, which are all in the Make Money Online niche. So you can send an email on any subject promoting any offer, not just once, but 6 times to all the members of the group. You can either repeat the same email or you can send a different email each and every time. It's entirely up to you. It goes without saying that that's worth way more than the price you'll pay for this product. Also going to show you how you can make $100 a day using free Facebook traffic. Now, as I said, it's actually a lot harder to make money using Facebook traffic than it is using the method taught by Arinze and Nella, but I'm going to show you a way that you can earn from Facebook. Next, if you need a fast fix of traffic, I'm going to show you how it's possible to get 100,000 visitors in 1 hour to a URL. I'm also going to show you 3 ways that you can earn $1,000 a month on YouTube. $1,000 a month, 3 separate methods. And as we're coming into the festive period of the year with Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Christmas all on the horizon at the time of making this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways that you can make money on Amazon. 4 completely different standalone methods, and we'll have something else related to that in just a second. I just wanted to cover crypto because it's been such a huge thing in our niche this year. You know, so many crypto related products have come out. So I'm including this bonus because I know it's of the moment, and that's the 5 best ways to crypto success. This one's related to the Amazon. Now, I actually put this together in 2019, but it's still absolutely relevant now. I did it at this time of year. 5 ways to get free stuff online, completely free of charge stuff that you can either sell on or that you can use as demo products, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to show you a way that you can get loads of people to send you stuff for free. I'm not talking about PDFs or digital stuff. I'm talking about actual physical products. I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can make $10,000 using PLR videos. Now, excuse me, a lot of you I know have got private label rights videos lying around on your hard dust, proverbially gathering dust. Well, this will show you how you can make money from them. Also going to show you 6 ways to make money on TikTok, of course the hottest social media platform of all right now. I'm also going to show you 8 top high ticket programs so that you can start earning between $500 and $1,000 commissions instead of earning commissions between $5 and $10 when you make a sale. And of course you'll get any vendor bonuses that Arinze and Nella are giving away. So I hope you can see, folks, there's a really good set of bonuses there for picking this up through my link. So have a quick look at the sales page. Not a particularly hypey sales page, folks. Do have a look through it. Some income proofs and stuff in here. These are the bonuses that Arinze and Nella are giving away. Firstly, bonus 1, recurring income training course. Bonus 2, high ticket training course. Bonus 3, affiliate marketing training, how to do affiliate marketing the right way. And there's actually some a testimonial on there as well. And as I said, that price $12.97, but if you do go up here, then you will get a discount of $3. And there you have all of the terms and conditions. Okay, so let's have a quick look in the members area. So got the intro videos from Arinze and from Nella. Then we go into the mindset behind all of this, which is important. Then we're going to go through the system itself, and then all of the rest of the videos in here, as I said, where we go in to talk about Quora in depth. Then we talk about the sort of offers to promote, and then we've got some actual some Q&A, some actual case studies here, so some examples of some questions that have been asked and answered, and also some case studies of linking the answers to actual offers. So everything that you sort of need is there. Okay, so let's have a look at these upsells, folks. So upsell number 1 is done for you campaign. So Arinze and Nella are going to give you a done for you bonus pages with review video, product demo and custom bonuses delivered. You'll get 8 done for you campaigns every month already to start your promotions, and that is $37. Also, upsell number 2 is reseller rights, which is $97. You can get 100% commissions across the whole sales funnel. And upsell number 3 is a mastermind coaching call. In fact, 2. You'll get 2 one-hour calls where you'll have the chance to learn how to use the case studies in your own business, one-on-one video calls with both Nella and Arinze, so that you can learn how to get ahead of your competition in 2021. So those are the upsells, folks. If you want to pick this up, as I said, and get all of my 10 bonuses, including these solo ads, all you have to do is to click any of these green buttons. That will take you through to the sales page. When the cart opens, click on the button at the bottom of this page or use the discount coupon at the top, and then that will bring you to your receipt area at Warrior Plus, where you click on the green button to access your copy of Set Forget Traffic, and you click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. As usual with new marketers products, it's always loaded with value, so I'm going to give this 5 stars out of 5 on my Elite Tigers Group rating. And all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to these review videos. I'm very selective in what I make these days, as you've probably noticed, because I'm short of time, so I don't waste time on making reviews of products that aren't going to deliver value for you. This one certainly does. So if you've enjoyed this, do please click on the subscribe button and also click on that bell icon so that you get informed whenever I bring out another review. So until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Set Forget Traffic.